I'm Gin, and we are Neo Pinku. Here to shine and lighten and radiate our pink energy. Also bring you happiness and entertainment.
I have to hurry, otherwise I won't be able to see him. And you may wonder who it is. It's Yukito-san. He's such a kind and wonderful person. Yukito-san.
I am Yui, the Glow Cards are the Guardian, candidate for the new Master of the Glow Card. Use the Glow Cards that you have obtained and defeat me.
No! I can't do such a thing. I can't fight against you, Yui-san. You may be different now, but you really are Yukito-san.
I guess this is it. You have lost. And now a catastrophe will befall on this world.
What's going to happen?
To forget, if the next candidate fails to defeat Yui the judge, the Glow Card and everything involved with it, the memory of the one you love the most will vanish.
I'll forget the ones that I love the most. I'll not let that happen.
Very well now. We will continue the judgment.
Wind. Become a binding chain. Windy.
The judgment ends. Yui accepts Sakura as my new master.
I don't want to be a master. I want to be a good friend.
आपके इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से आई कि आपको यही दो कैरेक्टर चूज करने थे अपनी WCS की परफॉर्मेंस के लिए?
I mean, she has trouble with Hindi, so childhood, matlab nostalgia and everything. So we were inspired by that. We really like this anime, and we wanted to show everyone.
Congratulations, Team Neo Pink, for qualifying WCS India Cosplay First 2024.